Who is excited with me? Now we're going to be analyzing this particular design, and the first thing I want you to pay attention to is this particular one at the center. If you notice it, you find that particular one folded inwards, so it means you have to take a measurement just from that toe part to the ankle. It's actually around the ankle. Yes, it's not even on the instep, it's at the ankle. So make sure you take that measurement as long as that and fold enough for this particular strap to be inserted into it. Now don't forget your lasting allowance here, which is around 3 centimeters to 1 inches, as the case may be. So that is the first thing you need to first of all note. Now, after you have understand that, which has to do with whatever size you are creating, then you begin to look at this particular width, which is the width of this particular strap. Now, I observe that this width look different at this point, but you can decide to actually use the same thing. So for me, if you ask me, I will tell you that this particular width looks more like a width of 2.5 centimeter. I mean, this width looks like 2.5 centimeter. So you can decide to actually use 2.5 centimeter for that width and work with respect to whatever length you measured initially. Now, I will be going into the circle that is around it. Join me and I will see you there. Bye.